How to make Keto Blackberry Smoothie. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 cup ice cubes, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoon MCT oil, 1 cup spinach, 3/4 cup frozen blackberries, 23-gram pea protein, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon erythritol. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Put all of the ingredients into a blender. 3. Pulse until smooth. 4. Serve in a glass and top with extra blackberries. Then enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Blackberry Smoothie. Each serving comes out to be 418 calories, 30.6 grams fat, 6.9 grams net carbs, and 21.6 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below.